Oh man, Fox fans, you guys know what it is. Again, another giveaway that we are doing. So you guys are probably going, what is this for? Boom! Look at that. What is it? Lego Creator. This is like the 3-in-1. What kit is that? Right there. 31083, about 600 pieces. This thing is pretty sweet. 3-in-1. I mean, this is awesome. Oh my gosh, someone's gonna win it big. Okay, so some of you guys are going, okay, yeah, we know what the prize is. When are you picking? 2 weeks. We're gonna pick the winner on January 1st. Make sure you subscribe. Take 2 seconds. Go down there and subscribe, right? We got a kind of a new channel here, in a sense. So make sure you subscribe. Now, how do you win? This is super simple. Like, we're gonna show you our little Lego city here. Right, you can see all these people kind of like doing their own thing, right? They're standing, they're holding stuff, like they're doing stuff. Like, you know, it's pretty straightforward. We don't have it fully filled out yet. And you're going to notice, I mean, a lot of them are carrying things. They have stuff in their hands, their masks, their faces. It's all just kind of random, right? There's not a particular reason to what they have. What we're going to do, first off, is you just want to make sure you just look at what they all got. Then we're going to actually change 1 or 2 things. Like, for example, if we had this little guy like here, right? And the first time that we kind of go over, you can see he has a yellow helmet. Maybe we switch that out and we throw on that little, whatever that is, hat. So the next time when we go around, you would just leave in the comments and say, hey, the changes was the yellow guy had his hat changed from the yellow helmet to this, or you know, you switched his, whatever that is, the metal detector to a lightsaber, or whatever we stick. And that's how you win. It's who has the keenest eye, right? We figure, hey, you guys are going to be watching YouTube videos. We want to make sure you guys have a way to win something. Now, again, when do we pick the winner? It is going to be January 1st is when we pick the winner. We're going to try and do a lot more giveaways and things like that in between there, if you guys are already curious. Again, from, you know, all you XFox Games fans out there, we're going to do a lot of the giveaways on this particular channel. So just look at that. Look at all the guys and kind of what they're doing, what they're holding. Again, I'm going to try and get this really well. Okay, so there we go. Let me see if I can change one thing and see if you guys can get it. All right, Fox fans, so we changed something. 1 or 2 different things. We're going to go over everything here, and you hopefully should be able to pick it up. Not that one, right? That was our example. But you guys should hopefully be able to figure out what was changed here. Again, it could be 1 thing. It could be 2 things. It could be 5 things. But not 5 things. You guys understand. So let's just, again, keep zooming in here. I'm going to try and get all these different angles on all these different people. And if you don't know what their names are, that is fine. You can describe the person, like this cat person right here. You can just say, hey, you know, the cat person has a fish instead of a, you know, they used to have the fish in this hand, but now it's in this hand. You guys kind of get it, because some of these names I don't even know. So hopefully you guys can, again, take a look at all of these guys. There's a lot of them out here. We're definitely going to expand this here later on. I don't know. Maybe this one's a little too tough for everybody. So there you have it, you guys. Good luck. Again, it's going to be 2 weeks when we pick the winner. Make sure you leave it down in the comments. We're only going to have 1 winner. Of course, we use that YouTube comment picker. Definitely subscribe, guys, if you haven't already. Thanks again.